Okay, we're back. So now we have these last four problems using the same method. 38 styles is what percent of 50 styles? So we can see our percent is unknown. So R is a question mark of 50 styles. So that must be our base. So the 38 must be our part. Okay, so think of our triangle. P is in the top, B and R is in the bottom. So R means we have to divide P over B. So P is 38, B is 50. So if we divide that on our handy dandy calculators, let's see, where's my clear button? There it is. 38 divided by 50 equals 0.76. So 0.76. And then we're done. Or are we? Well, we've been moving the decimal point in the previous ones when we had a percent. So the same thing's going to apply here. If we have an answer and we haven't moved the decimal point anywhere in this problem yet, we've got to move it at the end to change it into a percent. So now we're going to have to move it back to the right 2 places. So it's going to be 76%, which makes sense. 38 is quite a bit of 50, but not all of it. So 76. Okay, let's try these last few. So we got 3%. So there's our R of what number of employees? So that's our base. As it follows of, so 141 must be our P. So if we're looking for base, so that means P over R. So 141 over 3%, which means it's 141 over 0.03, which then equals 4,700. And don't forget to do your units. So now the next one, 32 is our R of 260 quarts. So that's got to be our B. So this must be our unknown. So P, we have to multiply base times the rate. So if we take 260 times 32%, which is 260 times 0.32, $83.2. And the units of quarts. Last one. So we got what percent? So there's our R of 160 liters. So there's our base. 2.4 must be our P. So R P over B. So P is 2.4. Base is 160. So if we divide that, 160 equals 0.015. 0.015. And since we're looking for a rate, now we got to go back the other direction. So 1.5%. So that should cover that section. We're going to be doing applications in the next section, so stay tuned.